Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well today, and we are in this beautiful, lovely, I guess Asia's best resort. Tell you where we are. We are at the Shangri-La Rasa area at Tuaran in Sabah, which is a part of Malaysia. Brilliant place, fantastic weather. It's a beautiful, probably an all-suite resort over here, and the South China Sea is just behind me. 100-meter sprint and you're into the water. Sabah's most renowned chef, Chef Bobby Alex. So Bobby is going to be with us to teach us one of the very, very local dishes which is made in this part of the town, and they use a rice wine, which is again a very hand-brewed rice wine. So let's get him in. Chef Bobby.
Hello, Chef.
Hi, Chef. How are you? It's nice to see you again,
Nice
back
to see you
again.
too.
Tell us what you're making.
Okay, today I'll be making a very local Sabahan traditional soup, and it's called, in our language, it's called lihin manuk, or it simply means chicken in rice wine.
Okay, so making lihin manuk. So I suppose that's lihin manuk in the
That's
bottle over
lihin,
there,
Yes,
which is a rice wine.
yes.
Do you need me to put some oil in the skillet or something?
Yes, please.
Little bit,
Yeah,
so that we know once it is hot.
and also the chicken.
So we're just using crushed ginger.
Yes, that's
We're not going to chop the ginger up.
No,
Okay, so
Yeah.
it probably gets in more flavors.
yes, correct.
Okay, and then and this is the black fungus.
Yes, that's the black
It's
fungus.
quite big in size.
Yeah. You just slice it
Rough.
roughly. Yeah, doesn't have to be too fine.
Mm-hmm.
Just like that. Very.
What about the ginger?
Yeah,
Can the ginger go in?
Yeah, the ginger goes.
Okay, there you go. All of it, or a little bit.
All of it.
All of it. So we lightly just let the ginger saute in oil,
Then
just
we're gonna
just
let
to
it
get the
settle.
flavors out a bit.
Yeah.
So I suppose then I need to add a little bit of oil to it, slightly. Okay, there you go.
Water.
Okay, so we're going to use the shiitake mushroom. Do we use the water also? Because whenever we use shiitake mushroom, we also add the water because the water's got a lot of flavor in it.
Oh no.
It's not required.
Yeah, no. We just use
So
plain water.
okay, so the shiitake I probably is just for the texture in the soup.
Yes, that's right.
So what's the spice we're going to use? Are we going to use any spice to this?
There's no other spice apart from ginger. So it's a very simple soup.
Okay, so the only spice is ginger in
Yes,
this.
correct.
There you go. So this is sauteing.
So
You think this is okay, or do
Yeah,
we need
that's
to saute for some more time?
yeah, brownish yellow, that's fine.
Okay. Do we add the chicken now?
Yeah.
So we sear the pieces of meat. So the soup is a complete nose to tail concept where you don't waste anything. You put the meat with the bones and the skin. So we let the meat sear a bit. Should take about 5 to 10 minutes before we add the next ingredient, right?
That's right.
The chicken is a little bit white, as you said.
Yeah.
They are like almost seared. We don't want it to completely sear because it will change its color, right?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah, that's fine. So at this point, we will add just a little bit of rice wine into it. We want the chicken meat to absorb.
The rice one is pretty. I can get the smell over here. It's pretty pungent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have deglazed the pan now with some wine, rice wine, locally made rice wine called lihin.
Lihin.
So we've just deglazed the pan. We let the chicken absorb a little bit of the wine, and then the other ingredients go inside.
Water.
Okay. So we add a bit of water to it.
We'll put in a lot of liquid because this is
A soup?
Yes.
Okay. So just a bit of salt to go with. So 3 tablespoons of salt. So we have an entire chicken cut up with the skin over here. Probably 3/4 liter of water. We can always add water as the water level goes down, right?
Yes.
But do we have to add some more wine to it?
In fact, we'll finish up the whole bottle.
We're going to finish the whole bottle.
Yes.
Are you going to put it, or shall I get 2 glasses?
We can also get 2 glasses.
We can
anything
also little bit. Okay.
Yeah, we can take.
Okay. So we're going to add some more into it. So we let this come to a simmer for some more time.
But meanwhile, you can already add the
Mushrooms?
both type of mushroom.
Okay. So let's do that.
The black fungus.
So in goes some black fungus. The shiitake.
Yeah.
Can we use fresh shiitake just in case I get it?
Yes, you can.
We can. So which means I first saute the fresh shiitake with ginger before adding the chicken.
Yeah, that's right. So now we can add in the entire bottle.
So the entire bottle goes in. Oh, okay, so we give it a mix. It's nice and cloudy with some mushrooms. So let's cover this again, and one boil and the soup is ready to be plated. So we cover this and maybe about 2 to 3 minutes we wait, and then once it's done, we're going to serve you guys. So Chef Bobby, I think we are done, and I'm going to open this now, and I'm going to invite someone to taste your Sabahan soup. So I've invited the chef from Shangri-La, Chef Shantanu Seth. Okay, let's get him in. Chef,
Hi, good afternoon, everybody.
how are you doing, Chef? Nice to
fine.
see you.
Same here, same here.
And
Nice to bring you
I suppose I heard you're from Jamshedpur back in
Yes.
India. Great.
from-
And we have Chef Bobby with us over here, and he's made Sabahan cuisine. Okay, so I'm sure you'd have noticed and you'd have tasted the soup. So there you go. Let's do the honors. So it's simmering, and you have all the fat on top. I can see the fat is collected. So that's how it's supposed to be. And let's plate this up and taste. Okay, so I think we will switch it off now. And there we go. Let's plate it. So we have some shiitake and some
Black fungus.
black fungus. So I believe there are no herbs in this.
Thank
so
you.
there you go.
Thank you, thank you.
Please taste it, and I'll keep it over here. Tell us how you feel.
Good. You can feel the liquor. You can feel the sweetness of the sugar. Of course, the flavor of the bones are there, and it's like more like it's a healthy drink. You know, it's a hot, healthy drink. Of course, it falls under the category of soup, but really amazing. Really.
From when I tried this for the first time to now, I think it's completely developed its flavors.
Yes.
It's full-bodied. It's got a sweet tinge. It's got a little sour tinge to it, and it's got that fermented taste of the liquor. The chicken has turned pink and really succulent. It's just melting in the mouth. It's falling off the bone. The ginger is there. You can chew on the ginger. It's young ginger, and the mushrooms there. 2 different mushrooms are going to give us the texture that we need in the soup. I think it's a brilliant winter soup in our country. It will go very well. Chef, thank you so much for being our host and tastings and giving your verdict.
I'm really privileged on this.
I hope you all enjoyed watching this show, making this beautiful chicken soup with the local rice wine over here. There's more to come. Keep watching. We are here at the Shangri-La Rasa at Tuaran in Sabah, which is a part of Malaysia. Beautiful resort. We're going to go taste the soup and we're going to come back.